Hello guys, and welcome to the beginning of a series of tutorials that will help you set up Archebot for the first time, get your accounts online and get in game, and eventually running the plugins that will do the work for you. So in this one we're just going to go over the basics. It will be the first time installation of Archebot. We're going to go over how to get your accounts added to Archebot and how to get your clients rolled out. So the first thing we're going to want to do is head over to the Discord. On the left hand side you will see the FAQ. The second link down, you'll see the link by outside. This is the actual file for Archebot to start up. So click download and keep. Showing the folder. If you have a messy downloads folder, you're probably not going to want to start it in here. So just right click, cut, and we're going to make a new folder on the desktop. We'll just call this AB, Archebot. So paste it in here. Now, on some PCs there will be a Windows Defender false positive, so to get rid of anything like this, we're going to press start, type in Windows Defender, scroll down a little bit and you'll see exclusions. Click on add an exclusion, then exclude a folder, go to your desktop or wherever you placed your folder and select your folder, and then exclude. So that's it, that's done. And then we are going to right click on the updater and run as administrator. You'll get this the first time you start it. Click on more info and then run anyway. Now this may take a little bit of time. It's going to take a while to download all the files, set everything up and everything like that. So I'm going to skip ahead and we'll continue once this is done. So here we are, we've finished downloading all our files and we've been presented a screen with a username and password. Obviously we don't have one yet. We can't use the one from the forums or the website, so we have to create one. So we're going to click on register, and then we can type in our username, password and email address here. So as our username we will use tutorial sessions. Our password will be something that I will not repeat, and then I will use the Archebot plugins Gmail account. So once you've done everything here, you'll register your account and you should receive an email, and in this email you receive an auth code. So I'm just going to quickly check my email now, and here we are, authorization code. So we'll stick this auth code in here, hit confirm, and now we have our registered account. We don't need to change anything. If you ever need to change your password, you're going to need to contact outside, so I suggest you write it down on a piece of paper somewhere or hit remember and auto enter. Always remember that your information there is always saved in this folder. So if you're going to set up a new installation, make sure you do copy over some of the key files, such as your accounts and settings files. So once we're here, we're going to need to select what server we're on, so North America and Europe. Just forget about the unknown for now, but we've got North America and Europe to begin with. So let's say we're on a fresh start server, Prophecy. We're going to right click on Prophecy and add a new account. Once we've clicked on here, we can see some plugins. What you want to do is click up here, the account settings for this one account. So we can change the description instead of it saying new account 1. So let's call this account 1. We then type in our email address, our password for the account. Normally on an account you'll have 1 to 6 characters if you've got Patron. You can extend it, I believe, in the game, I'm not too sure now. Just select which character that you want to start if you're going to automatically select it. And then again, for the client language, ENUS has the most compatibility for Archebot, but you can do any of the 3. If you want the account to start automatically, auto select game world, so when you press play up here, it will automatically take you into the game for you. So that way you can run plugins automatically and set up some schedules as you get further into it. And all we need to do now is go over to the global settings, and we need to set up a path to the Tryon game client. So we'll just click on this little text box, we'll go to the installation area and hit OK, and that's all it is. So to get your account running now, all you need to do is hit play in the top left. And to add multiple accounts, all you need to do is repeat the process that we've just done for account 1. Now obviously this account won't start because it's just a test account, but you get the gist. This is all you need to do. There's nothing else to it, and it's dead easy. So I'm happy if this helped you, and I look forward to making a couple of more videos that'll help in the future. Thanks.